Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. Although it's been a while, and after today's price movement, and really the past couple of days' price movement, certainly some updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here, get rid of this line here, and then also that line right there. Yes, these lines still do pertain, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have 2 million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So let's first start by talking about areas of support. And the ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward is if $1.44 can continue to hold. Why do I say continue? Well, you can see earlier today, the bears did try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong there. And if they can continue to do that, that is going to be the best, possible scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But like I said, yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above there, that'd be a big sign of power for the bulls. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. And the very simplistic way to look at that is as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, full health. However you want to look at that, no questions asked. Again, keyword here being moving average. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move upwards and essentially draw an uptrending trend line. And when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself needs to be in an uptrend. And that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. Now, what about future battlegrounds? Let's talk about some areas of resistance. For this, I believe we're going to have to go to another time frame, which is a good problem to have. Yep, so let's see here. Now, this is the daily time frame, meaning each one of these candles does indeed represent a day. So the next key overall area of resistance, right up there at about $1.58. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see knock down the price and then again knock down the price right there. Not saying the price can't break through it or anything like that, just saying that apparently according to the story of the price, there are some sellers, sitting up around that area, so the bulls will have to bring their A game. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing for the past couple weeks, the chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.